What is up, YouTube, and welcome to the channel. This is my very first voiceover, so if I have any hiccups while I'm speaking, please don't mind it. So as you can see, I am removing my old gel mini set. I previously had a snowflake set on, just a cute little snowflake gel mini, but my birthday was December 19th, and I was like, girl, we gotta get all glammed up here. So here I am removing the rest of the base gel in order to prep my nails for my new set. I'm using a wooden stick to remove the gel that came up with the acetone. I'm going to be honest with you guys, this base coat, which is from Makartt, was tough to remove, and yeah, I ended up sanding off most of it. But anyways, as you can see, I'm also using a cuticle bit to take off the protein growth from my nail plate and also around the nail fold. This one is by Makartt as well. I am not sponsored, I just really love their products. I'm using a 240 grit sanding band from Melody Susie at around 3,000 to 5,000 RPMs. I'm doing this to prep my nails so the base and top coat can properly adhere. So, funny story, y'all. My birthday set, I was trying to make them a pop-off set. That way I can have them as little custom press-ons in the future, but I don't know why I thought putting base and top coat on my nail on like properly prepped nails would work out as popping the nail off. But it didn't, and I had to soak them off, and I was real sad, so yeah. Anyways, if you guys choose to preserve your nails, please don't be like me. Please get a peel-off base coat. That way you have an easy time popping off the nails, and that way you can actually preserve them. And I'm putting some cuticle oil on my nails because I just wanted to see how they looked hydrated. But I'm gonna wipe it right off, as you can see. I did this so I could go ahead and put my base coat and top coat on. So right here, I went ahead and prepped my forms. Y'all, forms are my besties because I don't know what is up with me and tips. I've only had like a handful of good occasions with tips. First of all, the process of finding the sizes stresses me out, and then you gotta glue it. And then half the time the glue don't wanna work. Yo, I can't do it. So we're doing forms right now. Maybe one day I'll get into the whole tip scene, but not today. For all 10 nails, I'm using Blossom from Valentino. So, fun fact, the reason why in one clip my nail is super short on the firm to like extendo is because I put monomer in my acetone. Lord have mercy, y'all, I need a nap. But I put acetone in my monomer to speed up the drying process because it has been super cold down here in Florida, and I just wanted this process to be a bit quicker. But the acrylic got the best of me. It cured way faster than I could work with it. So yeah, had to handle that off cam. And I have a clip of me removing the forms, and I like how it sounds, so I hope y'all like it too. Now, wasn't that just satisfying? I'm using my Kupa Mini Pro e-file in order to remove extra bulk on my nail before I go in with my hand file. I may do a separate video on how I go about filing and shaping up my nails, but I will be 100% honest with you guys, I take forever to file and shape. Y'all, the shape, it's giving. Anyways, so now I'm buffing my nails. I put oil on it because social media said it makes the nail smoother. I don't know about that. It was the same to me. But anyways, I'm doing my new obsession, which are bling bottoms. I saw one other nail tech do this. So what I'm doing is I'm putting down a layer of white before I put down my base color because I don't want it to peek through the nail from the front. The color that I'm using as my base color is Valentino. I'll put it in the description. And now I'm applying Rhinestone glue by Makartt. As you can see, I'm using a wax tool to apply my crystals. These crystals are nothing special. I got these particular ones from Amazon and I solely use them for underneath my nail because I like to use my better quality crystals for like the actual nail itself. Y'all, I really wanted to go out and put some Swarovskis, Serenities, or Preciosas underneath the nail to really give it that clarity, like that super bling. But I'm like, y'all, good quality crystals are expensive and I don't know, I just can't bring myself to put in like those more pricier crystals underneath the nail. So we're just gonna keep it for like the actual nail itself on top. But if you want to be fancy and put the fancier stones underneath your nail, I typically get mine from Blue Street Crystals, My Crystal Idea, or Etsy. Y'all, I just wanted to show off the underside before we went into the next step of our nail art. Now I am wiping off the nails before we do our designs. Okay, you guys, I'm going to be 100% honest. I struggled putting on that dragon thing. Okay, well, at least that's on the nail now. Y'all, so I had the bright idea of applying my charms and larger stones with nail glue first because I did not have nail resin. Recently got some. And then I went around it with the rhinestone glue because if y'all know, if you just use rhinestone glue, the one that you have to cure, them jokers gonna start sliding all over the place, and I wasn't trying to struggle, so I put on nail glue, then I went around it to secure everything with rhinestone gel or rhinestone glue. I use those interchangeably. So now I'm making 3D flowers around the nail. I'm not the best when it comes down to these, but basically my technique is I'll pick up a dry bead, I'll hold it in place for a little bit, that way it can set just a bit so I can mold it a little bit better, and I press it into the shape that I want. For the remaining nails, which are my pinky and pointer finger, I put a crystal border and I also added 3D flowers. So I ended up not showing me applying the 3D flowers to the remaining nails, but here are the finished results. I was absolutely in love with these nails. Oh my gosh, and I hope you guys are too. I had so much fun doing them. I had so much fun wearing them. I got all the pictures, all the videos, and look at those bling bottoms, y'all. Oh my god. And as you can see, this is what I did with my thumb. Put a little pew pew on there. And I just had to get those bling bottoms in there one more time. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. And please make sure to follow me on all of my social media so you guys can catch up. Y'all have a good one and Happy New Year.